5 minutes to make pore strip, to remove blackheads and very easy to use. Getting those pesky blackheads out of your pores is no easy task. A great way to extract them safely is to use a pore strip. Making your own strips at home is easy and way more economical than buying the pre-made ones. It takes less than 5 minutes and the results are amazing. Ingredients: 1 packet of gelatin, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 sheet of toilet paper, 2 to 3 drops tea tree oil, flat makeup brush and small microwave-proof bowl. Notes on ingredients: I did test this recipe using agar powder and almond milk. I could not get the agar powder to the same viscosity as the gelatin and milk. Agar made the mixture more coarse and not sticky, which is the exact texture you need to extract blackheads and other dirt in your pores. I tried adding more milk and then heating only to get the same crumbly results. For those out there wondering if you could use water instead of milk, yes, you can. However, the lactic acid in milk is awesome for the skin. It helps to gently exfoliate your skin while the gelatin pulls out the debris from your pores. How to make your pore strips: add 1 packet or 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin to 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix until the gelatin and milk are combined. Heat the gelatin and milk mixture in a microwave on high for 7 to 10 seconds. You will see the mixture slightly bubble up. Remove and mix. The mixture should be thick and resemble glue. Add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil, if using, to the mixture and stir. Tea tree oil is excellent for treating blemishes. How to use: peel off a layer from your sheet of toilet paper, if it's 2-ply. Cut the sheet in half. Wash your face with warm water and a mild soap. Towel dry. With the flat makeup brush, apply a generous layer of the gelatin mixture to your nose or chin. Lay the half sheet of 1-ply toilet paper onto your nose or chin and press firmly. Apply another layer of the gelatin mixture on top of the paper. Let it dry until it's hardened. Once dry, peel off the paper. Use a warm towel to loosen any bits of paper of gelatin left on your skin.